What's up, fam? It's your girl Shereen Nicole back with another review. So in today's review, we're going to be talking about Bragg. Yes, this company has nutritional yeast, and look at this. It is cheesy seasonal. I know I said seasonal and it says seasoning. Don't come for me. But baby, I am ready to give this a go. Now, I ain't got nothing to put it on, but your girl kind of wanted to put it on some popcorn because that's like my favorite thing at night. Movie night, you got the big screen TV, you got your popcorn, and you need something to add to it. So don't get it twisted, y'all. I don't know if anybody out there does the same thing that I do, but I like to put seasoning on my popcorn. So this nutritional seasoning is going to come in handy. Let's go ahead and open her up because, baby, I want to see what she's looking like, what she's tasting like, what she's smelling like, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and take the top right off. And it does have a, let me show you guys. It does have a nice little pour right there. It kind of looks like a teardrop. So that's pretty cool. And then you also have the other side, which is the bigger side. But I'm just going to go ahead and dip my finger in there and see what it tastes like. And then we can get this started. All right. So, of course, I'm going to wet my finger. Oop, got some water in here. All right, here we go. So we got some on our finger. It tastes normal. It has a hint of chicken broth is what I'm tasting. It feels like chicken broth with a hint of cheesiness, very subtle. So this would go really good on your extreme butter popcorn, okay? That's how I'm feeling. Let's see if we can read into this and see what they got going on here. Now let me pull out the glasses, hold on. All right, so right off the bat, you're getting 40 calories. Here's a list of the ingredients that are on here, and it tells you what percentage is in there. 100% dairy-free and provides great taste and nutrition when added to a wide variety of foods and recipes. And I believe it. Add to soups, dips, spreads, popcorn. Child, didn't I just tell you about that popcorn? Okay, popcorn, vegetable, and pasta. This is gonna be so good, y'all. I cannot wait. Its cheese-like savory flavor makes it a delicious, nutritious alternative for cheese, honey. And it does, okay? Because your girl just tasted it and I was like, okay. It is not salty at all. It's like a bland, spicy flavor. Not spicy like in hot, spicy as in it's got flavor. It's got the flavors you need to come out without the added salt. You know what I'm saying? So then it says nutritional yeast benefits. Good source of complete protein, B vitamins for body metabolism, skin health, and brain development. We all need that, okay? Perfect for keto and paleo diets. All right. Oh, wow. That's so awesome. It even tells you what the product does not contain. Let's check this out. So it says this product does not contain the following: sugar, eggs, milk, gluten, wheat, starch, soy, animal, derivatives, wow, artificial color or preservatives. There is a no Candida albicans yeast. Child, I'm trying to say these words. If I'm messing it up, just laugh with your girl, okay? Just laugh. Or brewery byproducts, as in brewer's yeast. So I'll just show you guys that right there so y'all can see for yourselves. That's exactly what it says. I only read what it says. I only read what it says here as well. And guys, I really do like this. It tastes good. And like I said, I can't wait to put it on my popcorn tonight because tonight is movie night and the feeling's right. What a night. Oh, what a night. All right, guys. And I love you guys. And I will see you guys in my next review. I hope this was helpful. Bye.